Alright, so first off, this is how I'm starting this car right now. So, pardon me if I get a little off here. Always check if it's in gear when you do this. That's about all I get out of her. She will rev. I've got her to idle for just like 30 seconds. She'll get into boost. She has made a little bit of boost, but then she stutters trying to go back into it, and she'll eventually just die out no matter what I do. This kid wired up this JDM cluster. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. He did it. It's kind of taped up on the backside, but I understand because I don't think he was fully finished. I don't know if that's part of it. The damn key just won't start the car. Clutch all the way in. And that's what happens. But we'll have to just figure this out. This is only my third or fourth day with the car, so I'll keep everyone posted.